Hey guys, welcome back to Cookshop. Coming to you today from the corporate office up above the Cookshop warehouse. Anyway, today, guilty pleasures. I've got them, you've got them, right? So those things that you're afraid to admit to anyone that you enjoy in private. Come on, here we are, global pandemic, we're all in this together. So I figure I'm going to throw caution to the wind and just come clean on mine. For anyone who watches this channel, probably no surprise. I mean, my mayonnaise milkshake is my best ranked video. Every summer, the mayonnaise banana split gets thousands of views. But you know, a lot of people like to put caramel sauce on top. Personally, I like tuna. So y'all probably kind of know what's coming here. Mayo, yeah, it's just my favorite, you know, and it gets a bad rap sometimes, whatever, health or, you know, fattening or something, but you can't beat it, right? There's nothing like it, whether it's homemade or bought in a jar. I mean, come on, who doesn't love that? Good on a sandwich. Also good just in front of the TV on a Friday night, am I right? If you freeze it, you kind of scrape it down, make a little mayo gelato. Also really good. I highly recommend trying it. That's not the only one. I'll be honest with you. There's there's others. Now, like most of the country where I live is completely overrun with these guys, the little deer. Fortunately, they leave behind a delicacy. Gotta get them when they're fresh. Still kind of shiny and moist, and oh yeah, that's a good batch, that'll do. And also, like most of the country, my area is overrun with these guys, but they also leave a little treat. Look at that. Gotta get it while it's fresh though, folks. Oh, Canada. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed my guilty pleasures. Let me close with a few thoughts. Number one, I don't recommend eating mayonnaise out of the jar. Number two, don't eat deer poop. Number three, don't eat goose poop. April Fools. Stay safe, be healthy, and I'll see you next time. Cheers. Hey guys, welcome back to Cookshop. No surprise to you. I mean, Hey guys, welcome back to... Where's the camera?